Hello everybody, welcome to AtNEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from Unit 17 of your NEET syllabus. That is the dual nature of matter and radiation. Okay. So what is the question, sir? The question is the de Broglie wavelength of a neutron in thermal equilibrium with a heavy water at a temperature T Kelvin, Tk, and mass m is how much? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2017. You are given four options. H by root of 3 mkt, 2h by root of 3 mkt, 2h by root of mkt, and h by root of mkt. So these are all the options given to you. How to solve this problem, sir? So kinetic energy of the neutron, if it is under moving, if it is kept moving, half mv square. So it is equal to, according to kinetic theory of gases, it is equal to 3 by 2 kT. It's a single particle. It has 3 degrees of freedom for translation motion only. So 3 by 2 kT. 1 by 2 kT, 1 by 2 kT, 1 by 3 by 2 kT. So divide both sides by 2. You will get mv squared is equal to 3 kT. Here and here, mv squared is equal to 3 kT. Right? So it is v squared is equal to 3 kT by m. The m on the side will be better. சரியா சார் நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் டி பிராக்லி அது எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது ஓகேயா so v square is equal to 3 kT சரியா that is v is equal to square root of 3 kT இல்ல என்ன சார் v என்கிறது என்னது v is the velocity of neutron, m mass of neutron, k Boltzmann's constant, t absolute temperature. It's a temperature with the given in unit k Kelvin. Yeah. So what is de Broglie wavelength? Lambda is equal to h by m. What's it? De Broglie wavelength h by m. So substituting v from equation 1, we get lambda is equal to h by m. Instead of v, you put this value square root of 3 kT by m. You bring this m inside the square, it will become m square. So h by 3 m square kT by m. You have m square in the numerator and m in the denominator, among the denominator. So what is this? M and m square, 1 square, m will get cancelled. So h is equal to, lambda is equal to h divided by square root of 3 mkt. So de Broglie wavelength of neutron, h by square root of 3 mkt, h by square root of 3 mkt. Option 1 is the right answer for this question. So very simple question. Anyway, you must find the value of velocity and then you know lambda is equal to h by me, you have to substitute it. Okay? So that is the answer for this question. Okay. So far we have discussed 16 questions in this chapter. It is the dual nature of matter and radiation. In our next video, we will go to the next unit. So it is this atoms and nuclei chapter. Okay, atoms and nuclei, which is in your unit 19 of your, sorry, rather it's a unit 18 of your syllabus. Okay, so till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.